Kumari, in charge Department of HOD of PG and UG. I'm very happy to introduce our medicinal garden. We have two medicinal gardens are there. This is a one medicinal garden. It is an oldest medicinal garden. It is started in 1957. Of course, you are seeing beautiful garden here. In this, we are nearly above 100 medicinal plants we are maintaining in the KVR Government Degree College in the medicinal gardens. Few I want to show you, very important one. That is in this species. If you are seeing here, see. This is a very important plant, Vitex nigunda. This is one more. This is very important plant, sugar mokka. Whenever we have a high percentage of sugar is there, after meals, ఈ షుగర్ ఆకులు రెండు గానే తీసుకున్నప్పుడు మనము షుగర్ లెవెల్స్ చాలా తగ్గిపోతాయి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ క్యాక్టస్ ఇగ్నస్ క్యాక్టేసి మెంబర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ very important one, sugar plant. This is just two leaves. If you take down, if sugar levels are increases, then it will lower the sugar. This is a very important medicinal plant we have. And apart from that one, we have very important one, Emblica officinalis is there. That is an above we are seeing. That is Emblica officinalis, Mangifera indica is there, mango plant is there. And here lot of cactus members we are maintaining here. This is one of the cactus member here. It is one more cactus member here we are seeing. This is, and this is also one more cactus member you are seeing, this one. And here also one more cactus. Different types of cactus members we have. This is one more cactus members is there. We have outside, we have cactus garden is there. And here we have one more very important plant we are maintaining, Nimmagaddi. That is Symbopogon citrus. That is Poaceae member. This is Nimmagaddi. You know very well. Nimmagaddi we are taking in the form of juice also. It's a very important one plant we are seeing here. And that is that is one more cactus member, Brahmajambu, Nagajambu. We are maintaining outside of this medicinal inside garden. Outside we are maintaining just cactus members here. And one more Vamu, you know very well. Vamu Daggaku we are calling it as. That is very important one, Vamu Daggaku, that we are maintaining. And this is also one of the very important plants here. You are seeing this one. This is also we can use it to decrease the sugar levels of this one. And this is Euphorbiaceae member. Okay. This is Euphorbiaceae member. And a lot of we have pteridophyte members are also there. We have is very important one. Pteris species we are maintaining here. And you know very well, this is also one of this one. We can use it. Gymnosperm thuja. This is we can also, this plant we can also use it in the bouquet preparation. We have one certificate course. We have bouquet preparation is there. In that we will use our plants, and with that our plants we can use the bouquet preparation here. And you are seeing this one. This is also one of the garden plant. This is if you keep it in this one in the home, no, it is a very lucky one. Of course, this plant will useful to go for an aeration in that in a closed rooms or in that one. We are going to use it. And this we have small pond we are maintaining here. In this one, lotus is there, white lotus, pink lotus, and also pink, white, yellow lotus. Yellow lotus are there. Of course, here we are not seeing flowers, but in this we are maintaining Pristia, Hydrilla. Some of the hydrophytic members we are going to cultivate in this one. So of course it's a lot of species are there. Very important one. If you are seeing this one. And one more very important plant in the outside you are seeing, Wabila plant also we have here. Twiner. This is also one of the very important Vavila. Vavilaku. This is a very important for puja and all the things. Also, we are going to use it. This is a very important plant we here. This is an outside of this our garden, and here you are seeing. Here also we have all the cactaceae members we are maintaining here. All the cactaceae members here we are seeing. You are seeing here Brahma Jamudu, Naga Jamudu, and all the things. Very important one. This is an Emblica, very important one. Emblica cristalis. Usrika Chettu. So this is a very important one. We are also maintaining this in this garden. And we have lot of species also there. Shoria, Terminalia species are there. And one more very important one, ficus, endemic plant. Whatever the endemic plant here is, this is you can see in this Tirumala region, endemic plant. This is Ficus bedomai. We are maintaining in our garden. We have very beautiful ficus species is there. So many plants. We have nearly 4 or 5 plants. We are going to maintain here. This is one more ficus species. One more ficus species is we are maintaining here in the campus also. Outside of the campus also we have. And you are seeing one more. We are bananas. We are seeing here. We have 2 type of bananas. This is the eatable one, and this banana we are going to use it for curries. One more banana we are maintaining this plant. This banana we are going to use it for curries and all the things. And that is an eatable banana. Of course, we can eat what we are seeing outside banana hybrid variety we are maintaining. But this is we can use it in the curries that we are going to see. This is also plant, banana plants we are maintaining. Yes. So we have other lot of plants are there. I'm very happy. I'm very much thankful to our principal madam for maintaining, for giving me cooperation and help and all the way to maintain such a beautiful, costliest garden in our botany department. So I'm very much thankful to our principal madam and my staff and my children, my students. You are seeing my students with the help of children. We cannot do anything. I'm very much thankful to our children also because they are very helpful to me. Finally, I'm very much thankful to our principal madam for giving me this one opportunity. Thank you, madam.
What is your name? Madam, what is your name?
I'm Dr. R. Vinolia Kumari, HOD of PG and UG, Department of Botany, PG and UG.